What you call it?
Bamboo shoot.
Young bamboo shoot. This is nice when you cook it. Yes.
Hindi ko alam Tagalog yun.
Labong.
Labong.
In Tagalog, that is labong. See? That one. Oh, a lot. You need to put coconut in this. And then you need to cook young bamboo. Who wants to have a bamboo shoot? We have a free bamboo shoot.
Oh my god. Me, I'm a panda.
Yeah? See? A lot of native. That's what I like here.